Cold streets, cold tires, slicks, not any tires, rain on a brand new bike that is supercharged and pushing 330 horsepower. I think did that guy flash me because I don't have my headlights on? Bro, I don't have headlights. Got really wet and I'm very scared. And it's really dark. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Bike literally has 3 miles. And I am about to ride my brand new H2R in the rain. It's kind of raining. The bike got slicks on and no headlights. But there's a Lamborghini event that I was invited to and it just started raining, drizzling. But I'm worried because slicks, brand new tire. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. I really don't want to mess up my dream bike literally on the first ride, 3 miles. This is a horrible idea. What am I doing? Why am I literally, it's 3 miles on the bike. Why am I riding my brand new H2R with brand new slicks on in the rain right now? It's so just jumping into gear is like abrupt. This bike is an animal and it's scary. Oh my god, I hear the supercharger. Why am I doing my first ride right now? I hate myself. Nah, I'm like, I've never been terrified on a bike before. Oh my god, the white strips are so slippery. The white lines on the road. I'm praying that I make it to this Lamborghini event in one piece. 4 miles! Like, this would be a nightmare if something happened to this bike right now before it even hits like 10 miles. Literally a nightmare. Yeah, I've ridden in the rain ton, but I've never ridden on slicks, period. Let alone an H2R on slicks, and this is my like ultimate dream bike, and this is my first time riding it. It's so slippery. It is so slippery. It's probably the longest ride I've ever, and the slowest ride I've ever had to do. This is the world's slowest ride on a Ninja H2. 100%. Oh my god, I hear the intake. The intake is just like, holy, this is probably not even, I don't think I'm supposed to be riding this bike in the rain with this air filter. It actually sounds different. I did not know that. Like every movement, I feel like I'm gliding on the road. I'm not even like, there's zero traction here. I'm literally ice skating on the road right now. Cold streets, cold tires, slicks, not any tires, rain on a brand new bike that is supercharged and pushing 330 horsepower. Just wonderful. I'm shivering a little bit. This is mad. But in good old fashion, if you guys do not remember, the first time I ever bought my H2 and it was my first ride on it. I actually rode it back like 5 hours in the rain, and it was like my first time ever on it. Oh my god, the streets are more wet here and I feel it getting more slippery. Like even the shifts, they're pretty smooth, but that little kick is making it like kind of slide a little bit. Just zero feel of security. I'm officially the dumbest person on the internet for riding an H2R with slicks on in the rain. Like my first time riding it too. The streets are like completely wet over here. This is horrible news. 7 miles on the bike. Oh my god, why did I do this? I'm so dumb. Yeah, I'm putting like my foot on the floor and I'm like full on sliding. This is not good. Oh great, the bike needs fuel too. We are so close. We're so close. I'm just praying it doesn't like rain even more and it gets worse like on the way back. This is too much anxiety. This is my dream bike and I really want to enjoy it. I don't want something bad to happen to it. I think did that guy flash me because I don't have my headlights on? Bro, I don't have headlights. I'm sorry, H2R, I'm not stopping for gas now. Next ride, when we go on a proper ride, I'll do that for you. Oh yeah, it's getting dark. It is getting harder to see already. Oh, it's been a hectic day. I hope this video does well. Please make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Oh jeez. God, literally right as soon as I hit like 4,000 RPM, I hear like the supercharger starts to like spool up. It's like I don't know if you guys can hear it. Just wanted to document this. It got really wet and I'm very scared. And it's really dark. This is if anyone is watching this, don't do this. Love you all. Peace on, ride safe.